In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can copy Discord message IDs on mobile. Okay, so all you need to do is launch up Discord, and then you want to go ahead and make sure that you're logged in. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. And then once you're logged in, you want to go ahead and tap on your profile icon at the bottom right. Then you want to scroll down to app settings, and then you want to tap on behavior. It's the second option from the bottom there. And then you want to go ahead and enable developer mode. So mine's toggled off under developer mode. Make sure that is on. And then you can back out of here and go to a message. And then once you're on a message, you can go ahead and long hold on the message. And then you'll see an option there that says copy ID. You can copy that ID. That will be copied to your clipboard, and then you can go ahead and share that wherever you would like. So that is how you copy message IDs on Discord on mobile. If you got some value out of this video, then I would appreciate it if you smash that like button and consider subscribing, because I'm uploading how-to videos about social media and your favorite apps every single day. So with that being said, I'll see you in my next video.